Welcome everyone to my PS4 controller repair tutorial. This micro USB piece snapped off during operation. I removed the piece and decided to repair it myself from ordering parts on Amazon. We have the PS4 controller here doing repair on the USB input for the controller here. As you can see, I already taken apart the controller. This video will be putting in the new piece. Here are the screws over here, as I have taken them out already. The tape will be to secure in the new piece. After completion, I will show you that the controller works. Right now, the controller has been shut off, so that way I do not trigger the PS4. And then we will continue now making this video. Now you can see with the controller piece removed for the grip, we have made it so that way we can easily access the back. All the screws are already taken out, and we just have to lift off the controller to get inside the internal components to gain access to this controller for the USB replacement. Now that we have the controller apart here, you can see the big gray battery right here with the positive and negative terminals connected right here. You want to disconnect the battery before removing anything else or other screws to prevent electrical shock. We have also included a small screwdriver being able to assist us with these other screws. I recommend very carefully prying off this back case to prevent it from snapping different components in the internal parts of the controller. We will now proceed to the next step. This back piece right here is the key component. Right there in this small hole fits a new USB in its mounting hole, and then also goes the clear and the transparent plastic as well houses there. Once that is inserted, we will move on to the next step. Alright, this is with the new piece installed. You got a screw that goes right there on the top, and then you have another screw that goes on the bottom. It actually goes into the board. There's a smaller screw. It's not that big silver screw that you see there. It's another one of the small silver screws. And the 4 big black screws go into the controller. I'm going to use this tape that came off of it to secure it so that way it doesn't move up and down inside the controller. And then I will put the ribbon cable that goes on this port right here and connect it to this piece over here to this right. Okay, so now we have the ribbon cable attached, the USB fit in there. That second hole, I'm mistaken, it wasn't another screw, it was just another lining up hole to keep it straight. And then the plastic piece, the clear one, goes and fitting here and then sits on top of that right there, and that's a little rubber pad to kind of rest against the circuit board. And then this white piece goes clear over here, snaps into this end, and then holds that all in place. The next step we'll do is connect this end of the ribbon cable right here to that component right there, and then we will be able to assemble the controller, starting with the black screws, and then we'll clean the controller and put it back in the case. As you can see, there are 2 ribbon cables and another screwdriver. It comes with 2 more ribbon cables and a screwdriver just in case that you happen to want to replace those 2. And it also comes with 2 of the small USBs. This is the old one, and this is the extra one that they sent, just in case you may happen to have this problem again. And then here are the remaining screws. I didn't have to use a tape because actually it felt pretty secure in there. You can see real quick the new piece has been installed. There we go, nice focus, and there shouldn't be any more problems now with that. Once you have the new piece installed, put the new screws back on the controller and everything should be fine. I'm gonna put the screws in and then I'll do a test for you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, the new USB port is installed. I will now be connecting the charger and showing you that it works. Okay guys, new USB port connected to the charger in the same controller. As you can see, I'm going to press the PS button. Log in. You could see on the controller up top left. Oops, sorry about that. Wait a second. Go to devices. And you can see down here below where the controller is, that is charging successfully. Also, if you just have your controller plugged in, you can see that it's illuminated on the reset mode. It'll be yellow instead of blue. But thank you guys for watching this tutorial on how to fix a PS4 controller. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.